Hey, what's up guys? Friday, June 13th. It's probably about 1 o'clock, just hanging out with Theron. We're down here at the Kalamazoo River along a stretch just on the west side of Otsego, down here by a dam. Just trying out some river fishing, trying to find some pike, some smallies. No luck so far. We've been out here probably an hour. We've lost 3 lures. Keep getting stuck on rocks. So far kind of tough fishing, but we're having fun. You all right? We usually fish upriver more towards town at another dam, but they are taking that dam down. They're removing it. If you guys have been following that story, part of the restoration program along the river here from all the paper mills. They had a bunch of paper mill sediment built up, kind of polluting the waters. So they're taking that out, cleaning up the river. That's where we wanted to be. That's where I plan on going, but everything's still kind of closed off. I think they're kind of wrapping that up. And I just wanted to try that spot out down there. It's usually a really good spot. Back in the truck. No look at the river. No bites, no fish. So we're gonna cruise across town here and head to a lake and see if we have any better luck over there. We got some worms, do some bobber fish, try to get some panfish, maybe do a little bit of bass fishing, and see how we do over there. We're heading to a lake I've never been to, just north of Otsego. Oh, we got off. On the lake, guys, first bass, Yamamoto purple worm, right out there in the weeds. Nice little guy, right, 13 inches.